Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll learn how to reading from the console and writing back to the console, and we'll talk about readline function and concatenation. For this, go to Visual Studio. So what should our program do? It should print a message to the console and ask user to enter their name. For this, I'm gonna use console.writeline function. So we want the user to enter their name. Double quotes. Enter your name. Once they enter their name and presses enter, we should read that name from the console. And to read something from the console, we use readline function. Console.readline. Readline is going to give that name back to you, so you have to store that in a variable. So I'm gonna using a string variable. Name as result. So if I enter any value, this method is going to read that and give to this variable, and this variable will hold that value, and we want to print it that value onto the console. For this, we use writeline function again. Writeline. So I'm gonna use a string of this, for example, good morning. So this is the string I'm using, and to that I want to concatenate whatever is present in the variable space. For concatenation, we use plus sign, space, and name of the variable, result. And let's run this. Enter your name. I'm entering my name, Abhinav, and press OK. When I press enter, this code will be executed. It will read my name and stores in this variable. In result, we have my name, so my name will be concatenated with this string. When I press enter, it shows good morning Abhinav. Okay friends,